Okay, hop out of their way. Hockingsai king coming. I think he landed on my arm. Oh, there it goes. Well, I'm going to take down that spider web before any of the bees get caught in it, which is just over here. See if I can get in there. Oh, I'm in their flight path. Alright, so just here there's a spider's web. We're going to take that away. So what you don't want is spider webs near beehives. If I move back out of their way again, girls can go back in. Buzzing all around me, having a great time. Bringing in lots of pollen. It's yellow and orange, that's not all from the one type of plant. All pretty cool. Might pause that for a second, go around the other side. Here we go. Well, they are certainly busy today. What's it been raining for, about 3 days?
Yeah, thereabouts.
So that's why they're so busy now, because they're out and about. It's the first day of sun.
It's about Wednesday.
Yeah, and it's now Sunday. Well, it's 4 days.
Yeah, well, there you go. 4
Yeah.
days.
Well, they're coming all past me from this side as well.
Yeah, they do.
But they're flying mostly out that way near you, so that's why I thought if I stayed at the flight path.
There's some of them in the tree behind you. Okay.
Oh, and the hibiscus, yeah. Lots and lots and lots of activity. It's awesome. Go check the other hives as well. So Carbonaria, they're just as busy. Although I think I'm in their flight path as well, which would be right. Can't quite see as much pollen coming in. Oh, there's one with pollen. There's a few. Oh yeah, there's pollen on those ones that just landed. Oh, here comes a whole heap, and there's a heap coming out at the same time. That's the Carbonaria. Might swing around and have a look at the Australis, although they're pretty quiet, but you know, I might get a few there. Come over here. She's got a little bit of white pollen on her legs. I can see her there. Oh, that's yellow pollen. It's just the way it was looking when she first landed. Probably still a little cold for the Australis, but it's you know, it's a warmish day, but no, they don't. But when they do come out, they absolutely work really hard. They actually work a lot harder than the other bees, especially when there's a nectar flow on. They're really into it. But they'll survive colder temperatures. They just sort of go like a hibernation. They'll still cluster together, they just won't move around, so they almost say they're, some people say they're like a lazy bee, but when there's a nectar flow on, they're absolutely hammering. Whereas Carbonaria and Hockingsai, they tend to work all the time. And Carbonaria will work in around 18 degrees. The Hockingsai prefer a little bit warmer, probably around 20. And normally the Australis are around 22 to 24, but I've seen them come out at 18, so I think it's only a general rule of thumb. I don't think it's an exact, and I think every beehive's different too. You'll find your own bees will be different. You can't rely on one source of information. You have to look at information from different people, because one person's opinion is different to someone else's. My opinion isn't the same as someone else's. I think the bees are quite happy working anywhere from even 16 degrees. I've seen my bees out. I think it also has to do with the humidity in the air as much as it's got to do with the temperature. But that's my opinion. It's not everyone's opinion. So, yeah, there's only a couple out here. Where is she? She's up there a bit higher. Get her in screen. Go in there and zoom in a little bit. Sort of see her there. Just exploring her own hive on the outside. Oh, and she's gone. So yeah, we'll go back to Carbonaria for a bit. There's so many of them. Right angle. Problem is I'm going to end up in their flight path. I don't like getting in their flight paths. Yep, there's a few buzzing around me. I might have to move. Oh, there's one on my hand. Nope, she's gone. Didn't get a chance to video in on her, but there. Cool little girls. On the roof, just buzzing around, having a good old time, checking everything out. Pause for a second, go back over to the Hockingsai on the other side of the yard. Oh no, I'm still recording. Ah, pushed the wrong button again. Oh dear. Think I've missed all that.
Yeah, really.
Oh well, that's me and technology.
That's why you do the bees and I film it.
Yes. Maybe I'll go back over and redo that one over there again, seeing as it looks like I didn't record any of what I just said.
God, shit. You're just talking to yourself.
I'm
Not hearing
always
the sound of your own voice.
That's it. I love hearing the sound of my own voice. Now we'll go back over here where I was. Which means I missed that whole episode of that little bee on its own, walking around on the front of its own beehive. Anyway, so that's the AAs or Australis, but there's not much happening. There's one little bee wandering in and out there. Oh, two bees. There we go. That one's taking a bit of rubbish out by the looks of it. Struggling with it a bit, but she'll get it out. Comes another one coming back in. Now I'll go back over to the Carbonaria that I was filming before. And I obviously didn't have the sound on or the video because I'm awful with technology. They're having an awesome time. There's a couple on the roof. Yep, there's one over there stuck in the water. Nope, she's out. Alrighty, there we go.